Hi, my name is Jacob Tingen, and I'm an immigration attorney based out of Richmond, Virginia. Since last August, I launched a podcast called Nation of Immigrants, where I've been talking about different issues in U.S. immigration law. And one of the first issues that came up is a new public charge rule that was promulgated and then went through a lengthy court battle, which it saw nationwide injunctions against this rule coming forward, and then finally to having those nationwide injunctions removed and the rule being put in place. It's currently in force, and it's in force in the way of a new immigration form that's included with your adjustment of status application called the I-944. And that form and its instructions include a long list of documents and a number of requirements that might be confusing or difficult to understand as you go through the immigration process and the adjustment of status process. So what we've decided to do at Tingen and Williams at our law firm is to try to make this process as simple as possible. And we're currently developing an online platform that will allow you to upload your documents in an organized fashion. It will make it easy for you. It'll make it easy for us. We'll know that you qualify before you begin this process. And we'll keep everything in order to make sure that this process for you is as smooth as it possibly can be. Because we are driven to make this as simple for you as possible, we plan to put in place a two-step process. We'll be hosting a webinar where you can attend, and a lot of your questions are going to be answered at that webinar. You'll make sure that you qualify both for the immigration side and then also on the economic side. You'll be able to say, oh, okay, I definitely qualify. My spouse and I, or my parent or my child, won't be considered a public charge, and their green card won't be denied on that basis. We're focusing this presentation on immediate relatives of U.S. citizens. So that means if you're a U.S. citizen or you're an immigrant and your spouse is a U.S. citizen, if you're petitioning for your spouse, if you're petitioning for your parent or for your child or stepchild under the age of 21, they're considered an immediate relative under U.S. immigration law. And so that's who this presentation will be for. And we want to help you by simplifying the adjustment of status process for your family members, so long as they're present in the United States when you apply. We can make this a very streamlined process for you. So step one would be that webinar where we answer a lot of your questions and handle a lot of your concerns. If you qualify for our simplified process, through our online platform, you can answer those questions that we need information from, and then upload those documents in an organized manner so that we can prepare your packet, again, in a streamlined fashion that's going to make life easier for you, that we know qualifies under the public charge rule as it's currently being adjudicated, and you'll be off. So we look forward to roll out more details about this program in the near future. Pretty soon here via the YouTube channel and also on our website, we're going to publish some information about how you can sign up for that webinar and get answers to those important questions. And then once we're done with that piece, we'll give instructions after the webinar to the online platform that we're developing. So thank you for coming in and listening. We hope to work with you, and I hope to see you at a webinar. It won't be just a one-time thing. We plan to do multiple webinars to help as many people as possible. Thanks again for listening, and we'll see you around here at Tingen and Williams. Have a good one.